Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Instagram theme not showing, or some feature on your Instagram is not show. All you have to do is update your Instagram. You can go to the Play Store and you can open the Instagram and try to update the app. And next step, after the update, you can try to clear some cache. You can hold the icon, tap app info, and then you can go to your storage and clear cache. Even you can try to clear your data first and relog it into your Instagram account. And if the problem still, you can go to the settings, ask for help in the customer service of Instagram. You can click help and report problem here. Click or tap report problem, include and continue, and then explain what happened or what's not working on your Instagram app or account. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.